Have you ever thought about what happens if, in the future, you get super sick, but you don't need to go to the hospital or swallow bitter pills anymore? Just one injection, and millions of tiny, dust-sized robots will enter your bloodstream to fix your body right from the inside. This is the crazy concept of medical nanotechnology. Scientists right now are seriously developing nanobots, aka nano-sized robots. Their mission? To be your body's elite protection squad. They can hunt down viruses, burn cancer cells right to the core, and even patch up your damaged DNA. Imagine, deadly diseases that currently have no cure could suddenly be healed in just a matter of days. Human life expectancy could skyrocket, bro. But wait a minute, there's a terrifying side to this. Since they are man-made, what if these robots inside our blood get hacked, bug out, or end up attacking our healthy cells? If the system fails, they might not be the cure, but instead become a brand new threat that humanity has never faced before. What do you think? If this nanobot tech actually gets released, would you be brave enough to inject robots into your blood? Let me know in the comments and hit subscribe.